This tiny gaming monster has an OCULINK? AOOSTAR GM12 Plus Pro is way too powerful for its size. You ever feel like your gaming PC is just faking it? Like you dropped cash on some chunky tower, only for it to run like it's stuck in 2013? You're out here trying to game, stream, maybe even edit some crispy 4K video, and your rig sounds like a wind tunnel and moves like a potato. You waste hours tweaking settings, fighting thermal throttles, praying your frame rate won't dive when the action kicks in. And don't get us started on the size. You've got this giant box stealing desk real estate, yet it chokes running anything past Solitaire. Embarrassing, honestly. Now let's crank that pain to 11. Imagine you're mid-battle royale, boss fight, or live stream and, bam! Lag spike, stutter, crash. You rage. Deadlines for edits? Missed. Creative flow? Murdered by loading screens. External GPU bottlenecks? Everywhere. Your performance mode is more like a performance joke. And upgrading? Oh cool, more cables, 0 ports, and a user manual written in alien hieroglyphics. It's Stress City. It's Burnout Central. You feel blocked, boxed in, like you're hauling around an outdated anchor when what you need is speed, silence, and serious multitasking muscle. You're not asking for magic, just a machine that can keep up. Meet your new overachieving sidekick. AOOSTAR GM12 Plus Pro Mini PC, the ridiculously compact powerhouse that finally gets it. With a monstrous AMD 7 Pro 8845HS, up to 5.1 GHz, Radeon 780M graphics, 16 GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, 512 GB SSD, and the legendary OCULINK port, yes, really, this thing punches way above its size. Hook up a discrete RTX GPU with near zero loss? Yup. Quad 4K display support? You bet. It's whisper quiet thanks to vapor chamber cooling. And it runs Windows 11 Pro, plus dual 2.5G LAN, USB 4, HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, it's basically a sci-fi dream in a lunchbox-sized chassis. And it even reads your fingerprint. Brah. This ain't just another mini PC, it's an ultra-customizable command center. We're talking DIY LCD display for temps, performance stats, or custom art. Dual RAM slots for future upgrades, dual M.2 slots, up to 8 TB of SSD, even an OCULINK connection for external GPUs that finally doesn't tank your performance. Whether you're gaming, editing, coding, or just flexing on your setup-loving friends, the GM12 Plus Pro makes it stupid simple. Efficient, stylish, wildly overpowered for its footprint, and ready to roll with whisper-silent cooling. Want portable power that actually delivers? This is the glow-up your workspace needs. No cap. But heads up. These things are vanishing fast. Like, blink and it's sold out fast. Gamers, creators, devs, and home lab fanatics are all scooping this up, because word's out. OCULINK in a mini PC is next level. And at this price? It's kinda criminal. So here's the move. Don't sleep, don't overthink, don't wait. Hit that link. Power up like a boss. Join the squad that said goodbye to the bulky, loud, underpowered past and stepped into the compact, quiet, customizable future. The AOOSTAR GM12 Plus Pro isn't just a PC. It's your new favorite flex.